So hello everybody, it's Sonia with the iNaturalBody channel. I just thought I would drop by and make this quick video. First of all, let me apologize for the shaking. I don't have a tripod near me, but I really wanted to share this with you. So it's summertime, and you know, most children are out for the summer, and I didn't want my little one just sitting around not pursuing a whole lot. So these different batches of soap, we are going to go out into our community and give them away, preferably to people who are less fortunate. It appears that may be, and I hate to be judgmental, but I do want my little one to get into the habit of giving away more than having the expectation of getting all the time. And this is just one way that we can do that. These are some soaps that we made. I wanted to show you how affordable it can be if it's something that you would like to do for any occasion, for any reason. It's not a recipe that I usually use. As a matter of fact, I made several, I want to say 3 batches of 1 pound soap recipes utilizing brambleberries, little 1 pound mold for these. And I want to say there's a blue mold that I used for these that creates the little cube. It was an ice cube thing that I did, and these are none other than the Pringles cans. And so, of course, it's the summertime. You're gonna have Pringles cans laying around the house all over the place. Nevertheless, I went to Walmart. I picked up this Great Value Shortening, and it was like $2.50, less than $2.50, and it yielded, this container yielded several pounds of soap. So this is just a few that I brought to show you guys. The first batch that I made, I used like 50% of the Great Value, and this is what happened, and this has been sitting for some time. I want to say more than 7 or 8 weeks by now, and it's still quite soft. So don't do like I did. Don't take the Great Value and have like 50% of your soap be just that. It won't work, as you can see. And so I wanted to share this with you so that you can see what that would do. But now, after about a week's time of having all of these out of the molds and ready for distribution, so to speak, I really like how just altering the recipe to like 20% on, let's see, let me make sure I'm telling you the right one. The 20% is here. This is the 20%. It's solid. It's not even a week old, and it's quite solid, and they're so pretty. And this will make someone very happy. And additionally, these are 20%. Isn't that pretty? And it makes for a nice white, solid white bar. Isn't that nice? Now there is some titanium dioxide, 1 tablespoon of titanium dioxide in this bar of soap. As a matter of fact, these 4 was one pour. And 1 tablespoon of titanium dioxide was added to the 16 ounces of soap batter. So now these right here are also 20%, and they feel so good right out of the mold. That's just adjusting my recipe from 50% on the first try, thinking that, oh, it doesn't matter, the lye-water will create a solid bar. No, that is not the case. That is absolutely not the case, and this is proof. So no. Now I did another test after I saw what 20% would produce. I poured this at 30%. I poured this using 30% of the Great Value Shortening, and my friends, it's solid. It feels really good. Now let me tell you something else that I did do. My lye-water solution is at 33% concentration. That's quite important, okay? 33% concentration, and it didn't seize, it didn't accelerate. It gave me enough time to create this design, which was cute. And all of these embeds, these are embeds that were just laying around from old jobs or what have you, just accumulating in containers, and I'm able to repurpose them. So I don't want to ramble on and on. I just thought I would come on and show you guys this and let you see for yourself that you too can also come up with some very inexpensive recipes, give them away to people in your community, and put a smile on somebody's face. All right, thanks so much for tuning in today. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. I would love to have you. Also, check the description box below for links to some of the different products mentioned, like the Great Value Shortening, also the molds for these little embeds here, and the molds for this and that. Pringles cans you probably have at home already. Brambleberries 1 ounce, 1 pound container. I'll link it below also for those of you who would like to have that. But yeah, if you have any questions, please leave them below. Check the description box. I'll also post the recipe that I used to make these soaps for people in the community that I'm going to give them away to. So thanks for tuning in today. Sorry for rambling. It's hot, it's the summertime, and yeah, stay hydrated. I'll talk to you guys again later. Bye.